Feeling puzzled, confused, or unsure with your home decor, wanting something more. Need a fresh eye, a brand new design. Come along with Emma, let our styles align. It's design with Emma, let's make a change. Head out of the box, decorator, just call on me. From apartment to house, we'll make it truly yours. All be yours. Good afternoon, everyone. In today's video, what I will be doing, I'm going to decorate what I call my den area. And this is where I have my TV at. And I just have a love seat with a couple of little footrests. Over here, of course, I have my water fountain and my swing chair. But this is where I spend most of my time here because I'm here watching the TV. So what we're gonna do, Willie has finished putting the panel on this area. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go ahead and get this area decorated, okay? So what I've already done, I'll show you. I put my greenery up here with the little lights, and they light up at night, and they are actual solar, so it makes it great. I don't have to worry about the batteries. Over here, of course, I have my swing chair, which I spend most of my time, and I have added a couple of pillars to it to just make it a little higher for me. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna add is over here on the little table. I'm gonna go ahead and place my planter. And it's just a small little plant that I'm gonna put there. Under it, I have my water pitcher that I picked up from Goodwill, and it's really a nice one. So that's all we're gonna put here is this little planter. And now what we're gonna do on this side, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my pillar. Okay, so what I've done now, as you can see, I went ahead and added the black and white and yellow pillars to the love seat. And as I told you all before, what my accent colors would be the yellow and orange. That's what I'll mix with the black and white. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna decorate this fire pit table here. So let's get started on the fire pit table. I'm gonna make it very simple because, as I told you before, this is actually where I be watching TV. Okay, so what I'm gonna use my board, and then what I'm gonna add next is my lantern here. And this lantern was a Jonathan and Drew collection. I did purchase it from Kohl's when they were having a sale. Inside, I placed like my flowers and a light. So at night, it actually lights up. And next, what we're gonna add, of course, we're gonna add our little tic-tac-toe set. I'm gonna put it over here on the side, okay? I'm gonna also add this little flower here around the side. I did put the yellow rose in it for my accent. Next, I'm gonna add this little black house here on the side. And it also lights up at night, okay? So I'm gonna add one more little piece to it here. just to fill in that little gap. What I'm gonna add in between it is just a little piece of greenery. I'm gonna bring my flower over a little bit. So that's all I'm gonna do here to my table. Make it real simple. Okay, and as I told you, the little house lights up also at night. So I will come back and give you that night view. Okay guys, now for the reveal, I'm gonna show you the daytime view, then I'll show you the nighttime view. This was from my granddaughters. They say angels can't be everywhere, so God made grandmas. As I said, you all, this is my den area, and this is where I spend a lot of my time. Now, I do have my drapes hung here. That's so when I'm watching TV, it will keep out the sun, okay? Here I have my swing chair, which was from Amazon. My fire pit table, I think I purchased that also from Amazon. I've had it a long time, can't remember. My love seat here was from Ross's, and I've went in and added all of the pillows. It did not come with pillows. My footstools under there are also from Amazon. My fountains, as you all know, they were from Boyg & Hunt, and Boyg & Hunt has since closed. But I got these fountains at an unbelievable deal last year. Okay, so this is my little den area. I hope I've inspired you to go ahead and decorate your outdoor living area for the summer and enjoy it. If you would, wait for that night view. And also, don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know what you think of my little den area here. And if you're not family member, I'm gonna ask that you go ahead, hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Also, I want to thank the design family for coming along with me, because as you well know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, come along and join. We would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video. Make sure you hold on for that night view.